Assalamu alaikum. Dear children, welcome to Little Genius Lab, where we explore science and nature and discover the signs of Allah's greatness. Step 1. Place a small plastic bottle inside a clay or sand volcano. Step 2. Add 2 to 3 spoons of baking soda. Step 3. Add a few drops of red or orange food coloring to make the lava look exciting. Step 4. Pour vinegar slowly. Watch carefully. The mixture reacts and erupts, showing the power of chemical reactions. Gases form and expand, creating motion and energy. Allah has placed perfect systems. Even volcanoes follow His design. Indeed, we created everything with perfect measure. Surah Al-Qamar 54:49. Learning knowledge is a continuous charity. Science should always be used for good. Spread knowledge, do not cause harm. And remember, this is your Little Genius Lab. Like, subscribe, and share.